addition. All right, so I'm making mushroom and broccoli over white rice. I've got portobello, mushrooms, soy sauce, hoisin sauce, a couple of peppers. I like the red and orange. I've got some onion sliced up and broccoli. I actually don't mind the stem, so I kind of just snap them apart naturally, just to take advantage of both the flora and the stem. And then just at the end, kind of chop off that kind of weird piece. So I'm removing the gills underneath the portobello mushroom, trying not to hit the stem because I want to keep that, because I want to slice these thick as if they are strips of beef, right? So they're about a ½ inch thick, as you can see here. I wanted them to hold up while frying them first. I wanted to change the texture of them. So I just put a dry batter on them. I didn't wet them first. I just put them straight in the flour, fried them up. Meanwhile, I'm boiling the broccoli just for a few moments because I don't want raw broccoli. After, stir frying it, broccoli can still be a little tough. So I steamed it a little bit first before adding it to the sauteed vegetables in the wok. And then after getting the vegetables right where I wanted them, I added the fried mushrooms into the mix. And then went ahead and added the hoisin sauce. And then eventually the soy sauce. So added it and then tossed it a bit. Wanted the sauce to heat through and caramelize some. This is on high heat. I am using a wok, so you always want to use that under high heat. And so stirred that a bit and let it, the sauces caramelize for a bit. Not only did it look beautiful, it was delicious. So much so, I made a small bowl for myself, came back downstairs, and it was just about gone. Yep. Vegan beef and broccoli, I guess it is called. So good. So good. Y'all have to try it. Thanks for watching.